This is a screencast showing you how to use the built-in free annotation tools in Adobe Acrobat Reader. When I open up a PDF, it opens up the Adobe Reader. So here I've got a past paper. This could have been a piece of work produced by a student, anything really, any PDF document. And you'll see on the right hand side I've got the ability to comment on the document. So when I click comment, there are some useful things up here, like you can click here and maybe make a little sticky note, or you can, if I just delete that one, you can highlight text on the document as well, and you can actually cross out text as well that you want crossed out, obviously. So there's quite a few little useful things here, but I think probably the most useful is putting in audio. So for example, if I wanted to record something next to a student's answer, then I would say, okay, here in this answer, then you made this mistake. It's probably better if you did this. Click OK, and now it will insert that file in there. And when I double click on it, and I would say, okay, here in this answer, then you made this mistake. It's probably better if you did this. Okay. So I hope you picked that up through my microphone. So it's a very fast way to add feedback to a student. One of the things that is quite useful as well, maybe this is a document that you need to fill in, then you can add your signature to it as well. So this one is fill in and sign, and on the fill in and sign you can see you can add a check mark as well to things that have been ticked. I mean, this actually could be you marking as well if you wanted to, if you think the students have got it right. But you can also place your signature on a document. So if I wanted to, I could draw my signature. So here now I've got my stylus, and I'm going to write Joe Blogs. There's my signature. Click accept, and it will put that signature wherever you like in the document. Now, maybe you want to handwrite some feedback. I wouldn't keep on doing it in terms of it being a signature unless it was maybe a statement that you wanted to repeat many times in the document. But if I go back to comment, one of the nice things is down here, and by the way, these are all of the little changes I've made to this document. So if I want to, I can click on these and remove those changes as I'm going through. But one thing I like, you just have to scroll down a little bit. Under the drawing markups, this is the most powerful tool. You click on this, and now we can start to write. So now this is the correct answer, and what you'll see is that Adobe is actually smoothing out that pen mark as well. So if your handwriting's as messy as mine, it will smooth that out a little bit, and it's not too, I mean, if you look at it when I go like that, it smooths it out. So if this was an exam paper, or maybe you're completing an exam paper for the students, and you want them to see it, well, I mean, you think about all of the different ways that you could use this tool. It's very powerful. Now when I go File, Save As, or just simply Save, let's Save As and go to the desktop. Where is the desktop? It's always the same, you can't find it straight away. There it is, desktop, click Save. Now when I close this down and go and find that on my desktop, it is it this one? Looks like it. Now when I scroll down, you will see those changes that I've made. So I hope you found that useful. Thank you very much.